think it's very nice to be at these kind of sessions. You get to meet colleagues and meet other people from a lot of other companies, and we can exchange how we are using the systems and how we are getting the most value out of using it.
Most important for us with events like this is to meet other partners, meet you as a supplier and all the customers as well. And it's very easy access to get hold of your management team and discussing topics and so on. So great event.
It's really nice to meet other people that is using the system and getting their experiences and getting new ideas from them on how to use them and how to improve them.
Being here should give me the proper understanding of the value I can give to my customers. This is absolutely fantastic, and thank you very much for inviting me.
It's all about the people. Coming together, meeting face to face is really valuable both for us and hopefully for our customers and partners too. But it's also hearing all the great things from our customers, what they're able to do with our solutions, but also hearing more about the challenges they're facing in their day-to-day work, and for us to find out what more value we can bring to their businesses going forward.
For me, the value is to meet other clients who are using RamBase, as well as we ourselves are seeing what's new, what new is coming, maybe discuss with other clients what should come.
Events like this makes people come together, collaborate, get to know each other. I love it.